welcome back everybody. What you're looking at here is the final minute on the countdown of the Rika, and I wanted to show you what happens if your burn pot does not reach temperature or pellets do not come out of the hopper soon enough in order to ignite. So what you're looking at is the final seconds of it counting down. There is obviously no fire in the burn pot due to the fact that I just added pellets, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to show you what happens when it does not reach temperature or the pellets do not come out in order to ignite and go through startup. There you go, ER0. And I have a wire that's touching my convection fan. How does that sound? So if you hear that, that's a wire touching your convection fan. Alrighty? So what it's reading is ER0, and that's going to tell you that no pellets, and the temperature did not reach 120 degrees.